Where the Alps meet the Mediterranean breeze lies the Roya Valley, shaped by nature and, at times, tested by it. Nearly 5 years ago, floods devastated this land, destroying roads, homes, and isolating entire communities. Rebuilding wasn't just urgent, it became a mission. This is a story of resilience, of innovation, and of precision. Because getting it right means protecting this valley from future disasters. And a story of how people and technology are working together to build back stronger, safer, and smarter.
For example, over there, just behind, there is a house that collapsed. When the water came into the first floor of the pink house, so they evacuated everyone. 4 years ago, I was working in Monaco. One October evening, there was that famous storm Alex. The next day, it was broadcast worldwide on TV.
Everything begins on Friday at noon. But in just a few hours, 500 millimeters of rainfall swelled the rivers of the Vesubia and Roya valleys.
We didn't yet know how it was going to unfold today. Then the company started gradually providing resources to help the population of Roya restore temporary access to get the first vehicles through for rescue services, because during the first month there were a lot of helicopters. We were really mobilized for Roya to help the people.
The first job was draining the lake, and then there were rock placements to maintain the banks, and at that moment I started to get to know the GPS on the excavators. I saw the usefulness of this equipment.
In total, there almost 5 kilometers of riprap in the Roya. So here we go down 5 meters deep to really anchor the first rows of riprap as deep as possible. We spread the blocks over a certain width so that the water can never, in case of flooding, go under the riprap. The guidance system is a system that is really fast in terms of efficiency.
Well, it was mainly the precision of the work, simplifying it for the operator to be able to work properly and to place the rocks right where they're supposed to be.
The great thing about the GPS system is its ability to handle deep and complex earthworks, which are highly dangerous, especially when working in water with risks like landslides. What's incredible about GPS technology today is that it eliminates the need for people on the ground, keeping them safe. Tasks like placing geotextiles or drainage holes can be done directly from the machine with precise levels for each block. No need for anyone to go down, mark or stake. It greatly enhances worker safety.
An excavator operator and a person on the bank were enough to do the job.
For me, my favorite feature is the ability to measure and create points. It lets me adapt to site changes, draw level lines and measure quickly. For example, before laying block, the team radios me to ask how much geotextile do we need, and I can calculate it in seconds. I set a point at the top and bottom of the embankment, measure directly and know I need 8 meters. The team brings exactly that. As for support, I rarely need it. The machine runs flawlessly with no connection issues or other problems. The responsiveness is impressive, and most issues are addressed within 10 minutes, or they promise a callback in half an hour and resolve it right away. For example, if a machine breaks down at 9, it's fixed by 10. This is crucial for us, especially on sites like this where machines must keep running without interruption. The most rewarding part is the gratitude from the people of the Roya. Online, after the tragedy of Storm Alex, they lost their smiles, but over time, we helped restore their hope and confidence through our work.
There will certainly be less damage because all the work that has been done was designed with resilience to a future catastrophe.
I hope to keep moving in this direction, because the rock armoring we've done will last a lifetime, and I'm proud of that. I'm also proud to have worked on the Alex storm recovery alongside my brother Julian, who dedicated 5 years of his life to the Roya. It's something I deeply value.